Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English. I am Amelia.
And I am James. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we are starting a brand new series called Real English Phrases for Daily Conversation.
This series will take us all the way to 200 phrases, but do not worry, we will go slowly, one small group at a time.
This is part 1. Today, we will learn 15 simple phrases that native English speakers use every single day.
These are phrases for greeting people, making plans, and reacting naturally in conversation.
You can use them at the shop, on the phone, or when you are chatting with a friend or neighbor.
So get comfortable, get your notebook ready, and let us begin together.
Our goal today is simple and clear. We want you to learn 15 useful phrases.
We will explain each phrase slowly. We will give you an easy example sentence, and we will repeat the phrase 3 times together.
After every group of phrases, we will ask you a question. Please answer it in the comments below.
Your comments help us understand what you need, and they also help this video reach more learners just like you.
There is no rush today. If you need to pause and repeat a section, please do that.
Now, let us start with our first group of phrases. Our first phrase today is, "How is it going?"
We use this phrase as a friendly and casual way to ask how someone feels.
For example, you might say to a neighbor, "Hello, Susan, how is it going today?"
Let us say it together. How is it going? How is it going? How is it going?
Now you try. Pause the video and say it aloud. Take your time.
Our second phrase is long time no see.
We use this phrase when we meet someone we have not seen for a while.
For example, you might say to an old friend, long time no see. How have you been?
Let us repeat it together. Long time no see. Long time no see. Long time no see.
Now you try. Pause the video and say it aloud slowly.
Our third phrase is, "What have you been up to?"
This is a warm way to ask what someone has been doing lately.
For example, "It is so good to see you. What have you been up to?"
Let us say it together. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? What have you been up to?
Now you try. Pause and say it along with a smile.
Our fourth phrase is, how have you been?
This phrase is very similar, and it is used just as often in friendly conversation.
For example, speaker 2, how have you been since we last spoke?
Let us repeat together. How have you been? How have you been? How have you been?
Now you try. Pause the video and say it aloud slowly.
Our fifth phrase is, "Nice to see you."
We use this simple phrase whenever we meet someone we know and we feel happy about it.
For example, "Oh, nice to see you. I did not expect to see you here today."
Let us say it together. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Now you try. Pause and say it along with a smile.
That is our first group complete. Here is our first comment challenge for today. Which of these 5 greeting phrases do you think you will use first this week? Tell us in the comments below.
Let us move to our second group of phrases. These phrases help us make plans together with friends and family.
Our sixth phrase is, why do not we?
We use this phrase to suggest an activity in a gentle and friendly way.
For example, why do not we go for a walk this afternoon?
Let us repeat together. Why do not we? Why do not we? Why do not we?
Now you try. Pause the video and say it aloud.
Our seventh phrase is, sounds good to me.
We use this phrase to agree with a plan in a warm and easy way.
For example, if a friend says, "Let us meet at the cafe at 3, you can answer, "Sounds good to me."
Let us say it together. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me.
Now you try. Pause and say it aloud with a smile.
Our eighth phrase is, I will think about it.
We use this phrase when we are not sure yet and we need a little more time.
For example, that sounds interesting. I will think about it and let you know tomorrow.
Let us repeat together. I will think about it. I will think about it. I will think about it.
Now you try. Pause the video and say it aloud.
Our ninth phrase is, let us see.
This phrase is a gentle way to keep an option open without saying yes or no right away.
For example, let us see. The weather might be better tomorrow.
Let us repeat together. Let us see.
Let us see. Let us see. Now you try. Pause and say it aloud slowly.
Our 10th phrase is I'm up for it.
We use this phrase to show that we are happy and ready to join an activity. For example, a picnic this weekend? I'm up for it. Let us say it together. I'm up for it. I'm up for it. I'm up for it. Now you try. Pause the video and say it aloud with energy.
That is our second group complete. Here is our second comment challenge. Tell us about a plan you are thinking about this week and try to use the phrase, I will think about it, in your comment.
Our third and final group today helps us react naturally during a conversation.
Our 11th phrase is, that makes sense.
We use this phrase when we understand someone's explanation clearly.
For example, oh, that makes sense. Thank you for explaining it to me.
Let us repeat together. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Now you try. Pause and say it aloud slowly.
Our 12th phrase is, I see what you mean.
This is another gentle way to show that we understand someone fully.
For example, I see what you mean. That is a very good point.
Let us say it together. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. I see what you mean.
Now you try. Pause the video and say it aloud slowly.
Our 13th phrase is, no wonder.
We use this phrase when something explains a situation clearly and naturally.
For example, you walked 5 miles today. No wonder you are tired.
Let us repeat together. No wonder. No wonder. No wonder.
Now you try. Pause and say it aloud with feeling.
Our 14th phrase is, that is too bad.
We use this gentle phrase to show kindness when we hear disappointing news.
For example, you cannot come to the party? That is too bad. We will miss you.
Let us say it together. That is too bad. That is too bad. That is too bad. Now you try. Pause the video and say it aloud slowly. Our 15th and final phrase today is good to know.
We use this phrase when someone gives us helpful information.
For example, the shop closes early on Sundays. Good to know. Thank you.
Let us repeat together. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know.
Now you try. Pause and say it aloud one more time.
Wonderful work. Here is our third comment challenge. Which phrase from this final group felt the most natural to you? Let us know below.
Now let us put many of these phrases together in one short, natural conversation.
Listen carefully the first time and then read along with us the second time.
Hello, Amelia. Long time no see.
I know, it has been a while. How have you been?
Quite well, thank you. What have you been up to?
Not much, just relaxing at home. Why do not we meet for coffee this weekend?
Sounds good to me. I'm up for it.
Wonderful. Let us see which day works best for both of us.
That makes sense. Just let me know once you decide.
The cafe closes early on Sundays now.
Good to know. Thank you for telling me.
No wonder it was so quiet last time we went.
I see what you mean. We should go on a Saturday instead.
Did you notice how naturally all of these phrases fit together in one simple chat?
Here is our 4th comment challenge. Try writing your own short conversation using 2 or 3 phrases from today. Share it with us in the comments.
Let us quickly review everything we learned together today.
How is it going? Long time no see. What have you been up to? How have you been? Nice to see you. Why do not we? Sounds good to me. I will think about it. Let us see. I'm up for it. That makes sense. I see what you mean. No wonder. That is too bad. Good to know.
Wonderful. You have just learned 15 useful phrases for daily conversation.
And remember, this is only part 1 of our journey toward 200 phrases together.
Here is our fifth and final comment challenge for today. Out of all 15 phrases, which one will you try to use this week?
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to Lore Learn English so you never miss a new episode in this series.
We upload new lessons regularly, and every subscription truly helps our small channel grow.
Thank you so much for learning English with us today.
See you next time.
Take care, keep practicing, and remember, every small step brings you closer to speaking English with confidence.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy learning.